Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
PC Guide How to Enable a Cursor Indicator. So here I'll be teaching you how to enable your cursor indicator on your PC. First thing you need to do is open up your settings and type it on the right here. Open up settings, that for example right here. Once you open up your settings, click on ease of access right here next to gaming. After clicking on ease of access right here you will be located right here on this display. All you need to do is go to the left side corner. You will see vision, and here just below right here you will see text cursor. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can enable the text on text cursor indicator. There you go, as you can see right there. So whenever you're gonna indicate something, it will have that, as you can see. And you can change the size, color. There you go, as you can see right there. So now we're gonna try it right here on our right here. As you can see right there, whenever I click on that, as you can see, the text cursor indicator has shown. There you go. It's a big blue area there. You can make it as big as you can. So whenever we're gonna type, there you go. As you can see, make it as small as you can. Type. There we go. There, as you can see. There you go, guys. And you can also add your text cursor appearance right here. You can make it as big as you want. So whenever we're gonna do this, as you can see, type. There you go. As you can see right there. There you go. So now we're just gonna going back to 1, and here we're just gonna turn this back off. You can pick a custom color if you want. So you can see right here. You're gonna make it light blue. There you go. Then done. So you see right now, here's a new text color right there. Now here are the all text colors that are available to use right here. So yeah, there you go, guys. And a quick tip for you guys: you can also change your display size right here. As you can see right here. There you go. All we need to do is click on apply, and then apply all the changes right there. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any more questions, you can type it in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.